Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a smart and passive way to make money online, you're going to love this. Today, we're diving into how you can earn with the HilltopAds Referral program. It's simple, effective, and anyone can do it. And it's easier than you think. Imagine earning money every time someone else cashes in. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, with the HilltopAds Referral program, that dream is real. Whether you're a blogger, influencer, or just active in online communities, you can earn a steady plus 5% commission from every active referral. The more they earn, the more you earn. It's passive income made simple. There are 3 great reasons to join the HilltopAds Referral program right now. First, they offer weekly payouts, so you get your earnings fast without long waits. Second, you get access to a wide variety of referral banners and promo tools, making it easy to promote across blogs, websites, or social media. And third, if you're an influencer or have a strong audience, you can unlock a higher referral percentage, earning even more for the traffic you bring in. Becoming a referral partner is super easy. Just sign up, head over to the referral program section, grab your unique link, and start sharing it. That's it. Sign up today and start earning a weekly 5% commission from every active referral. The more they earn, the more you earn. Here are 10 payment methods you can use to withdraw your earnings from HilltopAds. Whether you prefer quick transfers or secure payment platforms, there's an option for everyone. If you're new here and haven't signed up yet, no worries. Just check out the pinned comment below for the link to register and get started. Once you've created your account, simply log in, access your dashboard, and you're all set to get started. First, head over to the referral program section in the menu. There, you'll find all the details, including the referral percentages and the full breakdown of how the program works. You can easily track all the members you've referred, see how many are actively earning, and monitor your total referral earnings. HilltopAds also provides multiple banner sizes with HTML code that you can easily integrate into your website or blog. Just copy the HTML code, place it on your site, and start referring new members to your team. It's that simple. This is a list of amazing team members who've joined HilltopAds using my referral link. Thank you all for being part of the journey. Raising hands. If you're one of them, let me know in the comments. I'd love to connect. Remember, don't give up. Stay consistent, stay active, and the more effort you put in, the more you can earn. If you don't have a blog or website yet, no worries. You can still take full advantage of the HilltopAds referral program by leveraging your social media platforms. Simply copy the referral link provided by HilltopAds and share it across your social channels. For example, in my case, I've strategically placed the referral link in several key spots to make sure it's always accessible to my audience. First, I've added it to the About section of my channel, which is a great place for people to find it when they check out my profile. Next, I include it in the descriptions of my videos, right under the content they're watching, so they can easily click on it while they're engaged. But that's not all. I also pin the link in the comments of my related videos. This way, whether they're watching an older video or a new one, it's always at the top of the comments section, making it super convenient for anyone interested to join. If you're active on Facebook or other social media platforms and have a solid engagement with your audience, make the most of it. Share your HilltopAds referral link with your followers and friends, and invite them to join you on the journey. Encourage them to sign up, grow together, and start earning passive income through your platform and network. It's a great way to turn your social connections into a steady income stream. If you're active on Facebook or other social media platforms and have a solid engagement with your audience, make the most of it. Share your HilltopAds referral link with your followers and friends, and invite them to join you on the journey. Encourage them to sign up, grow together, and start earning passive income through your platform and network. It's a great way to turn your social connections into a steady income stream. No matter which platform you're using to engage with your audience, always remember to educate and inspire them. Whether it's through a tutorial, a helpful post, or a quick video, show them the benefits of joining HilltopAds. The more value you provide, the more likely they are to trust your recommendation and sign up using your referral link. It's all about growing together while earning passively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to sign up using my referral link below. It's a great way to support the channel and start your own HilltopAds journey. Got questions or want to learn more? Drop a comment and let me know what else you'd like to know about HilltopAds. I'm here to help.